Hi, everybody. A very good morning. It's almost 11 o'clock by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. It's a great day. It's amazing. The weather is nice. The sun is out. And as you can see around me, after the rains in a city like Delhi or anywhere else, the roads are clean and it's a great respite from the cloudy weather and rains and everything and all that, and the roads are clean and the flora, the trees and everything look amazing. Everything is shining so bright, and the community dogs and everybody, including me and people around, seem to be loving it and enjoying it. So what is my share all about? So as I took a walk and everything, I realized that yes, waste management is a big concern for our country. So is climate. So I saw these interesting bottles lying in a crate, a worker's crate, rickshaw. So the last time I picked these up, there was a guy standing there asking me, "What really are you doing picking up these used bottles? Somebody's polished off antiquity blue and blenders spied in the night and stuff." So he's wondering, and my answer was, I'm going to take them home, and the first obvious thing is I'm going to basically clean them, and I'm going to use them to plant some nice, flora in it. So maybe money plant or whatever grows, whatever's easiest and stuff. And then I realized that, hey, I was also contributing to picking up some of the waste indirectly and stuff. And if I were to take them back home and use them as a display, there are lots of other ideas which come to my mind. So as I look at this, it's an unedited and an unplanned one. What comes to my mind is some furniture with this. So bars usually have beautiful, classy quality bottles and stuff, and you've got some Irish whiskey to enjoy, with ice cream and whiskey and all that. Also, so many things in whiskey. Whiskey is good for your heart. So from a creative person or a decor point of view and stuff, there's so many interesting things that can be done with this. So there's a possibility of making a lamp out of this. So you open the top and you put in the wire, and you have a small sized 3 4 bulbs in this. It becomes a nice lamp for you. If you don't do that, you can probably also have a chandelier made out of this and stuff. And if not really all of that, you can probably just queue up the bottles or tie them up in a fashion where it actually becomes uh, like a wall hanging piece or something. So these are these ideas which come to my mind and stuff. The obvious and the most logical one is basically planting some nice flowers or nice some jade, or probably some sticks of orchids, or maybe I won't say, yeah, rose buds, or maybe some ferns or something like that. So it helps. So as you take a walk and stuff, you kind of absorb a lot of interesting stuff and positivity and stuff. And as I said, people kind of notice this, and who knows, somebody may follow it. Like an example I gave you yesterday, I just started generally feeding with the dog under my neighborhood, and I saw that after that a lot of people have come forward and stuff. So a nice small act or a gesture has become a little bigger, and I guess it's encouraging people also to be more warm-hearted and stuff. So if you're taking a walk somewhere and you notice garbage, in particular bottles, you could always pick them up and you can do your own bit as well. Yes, of course, we expect the government and the community and the local neighborhood managements to be more proactive in their cleanliness and stuff. But the point is, you can also do your own bit and stuff. I'm not saying carry all the bottles, but I'm just saying generally take a few bottles with you and stuff. So they also look amazing. So you could have displays happening at your entrance. You can have these on your windowsills anywhere, maybe in your library, maybe in your working spaces, maybe in the balconies. I've already said the terrace and stuff. So anywhere and everywhere. And the best part about bottles is that they're easy to maintain, And just in case एक टूटता भी है, if one of them breaks and it doesn't pinch you so much because you're not heavily invested in stuff, you know. So these little ideas definitely help you in stuff. And whiskey on a lighter note is definitely a good thing to indulge in and avoid, you know. I mean, to avoid in too much. So all these ideas can happen to you. You can use this for storing something also if you like, you know, if you've got some expensive stuff to store, you can always store them in a bottle and place them even on your dressing table, windowsills of your offices or your rooms and stuff is a good idea. Washrooms, the sinks, the windows and stuff, you know, because they're easier to maintain than planters and pots and stuff. And if you have to put your plants in the sun and stuff, bottles are the easiest. Lift them up and put them there. So in case you know this idea, great. If you don't know this is just a small idea and it will definitely work even better if you start, you know, kind of exploring things from a creative or a design point of view and stuff. Yeah. So maybe furniture would be a bad idea, but anything that comes to your mind is going to be making you realize that most of us are creative. Yeah. So love and luck. I'm Jasleen Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, jasleenkapani.im@gmail.com, and Jasleen Kapani office@gmail.com. I got to go. There's some fun and stuff happening with these dogs. I guess they found a cat in the drain there. So this is the fun that we have right now happening here. So take care of the animals and the dogs around you and stuff, and do not let them get into these drains and gutters and stuff. And if you find that some of them have an habit, let the people around you in your community know so that they can keep a check on them and we can avoid some dangerous accidents and stuff. So love and luck and take care. So I guess they're hanging around here because we've got that garage there where you know, those three men just went in. So that's the space they've opened up for the dogs. So love and luck and take care. Have fun. Have a blast. Bye bye. Cheers.